So what we're going to do today is at the crux of counseling, and it's the crux of all the work we do. Okay, it's the introduction to all the work we do at this center. So it's the premise of it. So it's the foundation of it. Okay, and I think to do all the work we do, if you know this foundation, then it's a smooth journey. Okay, because it's not the skills that why are we learning the skills. Yeah, kuch bhi ho, from the field of psychology, whether you're learning CBT or REBT or Gestalt or systemic work or whatever you're learning, huh? You're learning this because you believe that there is a change possible. Today's lecture is a foundation that why is that change possible, or what is creating that possibility of the change for which you are going to learn what you're going to learn in your life ahead, whether it is counseling, whether it is coaching, whether it is intervention, whether it is whatever it is. Huh? So the whole idea is, why does change happen? I'm suffering. Why does change happen? When does change happen? You know, or a client is having phobia. When does it change? Do they live all their life with phobias, or does it change, and why does it change? And we're learning the threshold of change. We are learning how change happens. We are learning where is this installation and where is this reinstallation going to happen. What are we learning today? We are learning change. Okay, you should understand what we're learning, right? We should not leave track of that. We're learning change. We're learning how change is possible. And my hypothesis for the day is that neurological change is faster, impactful, lasting than a psychological change. That's my hypothesis. And you can debate, you can challenge, you can fight this. You don't have to buy the story. It's my hypothesis, my opinion. Okay? And I'm free to have that, right? You are free to accept it in parts, challenge it totally, whatever you want to do. So think of something that happened in life that is affecting you even today. That could be, I'll give you some examples which you can think. You're not ready for a new relation, or you're not ready to fully surrender to the new relation, or you're afraid of letting go. You're always afraid of letting go. Or you're afraid that someone will dump you constantly. You're constantly alert. हो जाएगा क्या, छोड़ के जाएगा क्या? And maybe to just abandonment. You're afraid of abandonment. Think of something. And think of something distant, because we don't want the system contaminated when you're doing an activity. So not something that you're going through, but something that did happen, but it's still bothering you. Neurological change is real because it is generative, which means you can do it with yourself. You can do it with yourself. It is generative. You can do it with yourself. Once you learn how to do it with yourself, you can teach it. It's a raw skill. You can teach it. You can measure the change. Like there's an RTM, there is a VKD, there is a research papers around it. You can scale it. You can measure it. You can do that. Huh? We are studying neural anatomy. Okay, which is not in the past, which is in the now.